Hello students, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I would like everyone to please fold your hands and listen very closely because I have something important I want to share with you. Are we all ready? Okay. Today we will begin a special project called My Favorite Pet. What is it called, everyone? Yes, My Favorite Pet. Today, in this project, we are going to learn about two special kinds of pets. We are going to be gathering information by searching the internet. But first, let's review our learning objective. Everyone ready? Repeat after me. With my teacher's help, I will recall information from experiences or gathered information from the internet to answer questions. What this means, students, is that we're going to be looking at websites that are going to help us learn more about these two types of special pets. And with that information, we're going to answer some important questions about pets. But all that gathered information and all the questions we will answer are going to help us for our final part in this project, because we will be having class presentations. But I'll tell you about that in just a minute. How are we going to do our project? Well, you will be put into teams or groups, and you will be working together with your team. You will choose a pet name for your team. So, for example, you can be the parrots, the dogs, the bunnies, the iguanas. Be creative, okay? And choose a pet name for your team. Each team is going to receive a team leader card. What is a team leader? A team leader is the person who's responsible for whatever section is in your team card. So, for example, if you have number 1 definition, you will be the person leading the team 1 definition section of that of your research. Okay? Well, how are we going to know where to look for the information? Well, it's already ready for you. We're going to go to a special website where you can find all the information that you will need for your final part in this project. You will begin here where it says welcome. Everybody see the black arrow? Yes, it says welcome there. You will start there and you will read about the description and what this lesson is about. Then, the team leader, who is responsible for introduction, will click on introduction. And there, it will talk a little bit more about what this project is about. The section that says task is where you can find all the information. You will find your assignment here. So what are some of the things that you need to do? Number 1, you're going to look for the definition of pet. This means we're going to look in the dictionary and see what it says, what the word pet means. Number 2, you're going to learn about farm animals. Number 3, we're going to watch a video about working dogs. Number 4, you're going to prepare your presentation. After you go to task, you will proceed or you will continue to the section that says process. Just like this. In this section, you will find that there are sections that look like this. In this section, it tells you all the steps that you need to do for number 1. So number 1 is find the definition. In your team, read your steps so that you know what to do. in order to go to the website where you need to find that information, you will go where it says click here. You will take your mouse and click on this blue bar with letters. You're just going to go ahead and click right there, and it'll take you where you need to find the information. Remember, there are 4 steps that you need to follow. The 4th step is preparing for your presentation. And it says in the number 4, it tells you what you need to do and how you're going to do it. So I'm not going to go ahead and tell you now. You're going to have. Now remember, when you're ready to click and go to your website, you will need to click where it says click here. You will click over here. Let's review that real good. Okay? Now there's a section that says bonus. Everyone see that section? Let me tell you what that is. In this section, only some of you are going to be assigned. So that means that only some teams will be allowed to click on the sites that say bonus. If your team was not assigned that section, do not click it. Only the teams that were assigned will click on that website. Okay? If you click on it, you're going to find some information, but you're not going to need it for your project. This bonus section is only for those students who have that assignment. Okay? So if your teacher didn't tell you to do that section, don't do it. Okay? Everyone clear on that? Okay, let's move on. What are team presentations? Team presentations is when you work together with your team or your group and you're going to present on something that you worked on. So you guys are going to be looking for a pet for your team, a team's pet. And under number 4 on your task section, it will tell you what you need to do. Okay, but a team presentation, you're going to go to the front of the class and you're going to tell us about your pet. And in task number 4, it tells you what you need to do, and in the process section, it also tells you how you're going to do that. Okay? In order to answer the questions, we're going to give you a packet. This packet is called Pet Information Packet. Can everybody say that? Say it again. Pet Information Packet. This packet has some questions and some sections we're going to be looking at once we start our project, and we're all divided in teams and we're doing our research, okay? And you will use this packet to write down the information that you will need in order to do your presentation. Okay, so are you guys excited about this project? I know I am. So I am so looking forward to see your presentations. I hope you guys do an awesome job. So let me see, who is ready? Okay, well, on your mark, get set, learn. Go out and learn. And have fun doing your project. Goodbye now.